in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Mimo Code on Windows operating system. To get the command in Google search box right there, Mimo Code, then go on this mi.com site. Let's click this. Then click on this GitHub. Then you can get this page. Let's scroll down. Then you can get this command. So with the help of CURL or npm, we can install this. So if I go into this command prompt, so if I write there node -v, so node version that 24 that install and npm -v, so you can see npm 11 version that installs. So npm must be installed there. So with the help of this npm that I'm going to install there, Mimo, so copying this command, pasting there. So you can see npm install -g for global Mimo AI artificial intelligence CLI command line interface. Now press enter. Then you need to wait for few second times to complete this download as well as install. So this is the recently launched coding agent for Windows operating system. You can also try this inside the Linux operating system. So here, with the help of this npm command, we can use this npm inside the Linux or Windows. Okay, so this here, you can see this is now currently installing the Mimo inside the Windows. Now you can see added 3 packages in 55 seconds. After that, simply you need to write there Mimo because this install path that has been stated there. And if you give this command, then automatically or this that's come there. You can this is the home directory. This file it's not okay. So if you want, then you can change this home directory. I understand. Press enter. Now you can see Mimo code that's come there. This is the version build. Let's test with the hi. I agree. So hi. Then you can see this is returning with this millisecond tabs. After that, I'm going to ask another question. What exactly Mimo code that do? So what exactly Mimo code that do? So this is now thinking, write, edit, debug, search, run command, test, create files, manage this all. Okay. After that, you can ask any question related to this. And here you can see this is the returning so fastly millisecond of tabs. So I hear the news. This is faster than cloud. So this is how we can do the installation of Mimo code inside the Windows. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.